Good morning.
Good morning. Beautiful Pontiac, Michigan.
Pontiac, that's so nice. I hate that they killed off that brand. It was one of my favorite brands.
The Euro plant used to be literally just a mile up this road here.
Wow.
It's gone now. Now it's a GFL, the dumpster company.
A dumpster company, so they make 240s. Black wheels look so bad on 240s. It's not, it's crazy. Everybody's got an E46, of course, if you're a real man. So does Justin.
Best chassis.
Best chassis, superior chassis.
That's right.
Oh, it's also running Seems Legit, I guess.
Yes.
Dual caliper. Cool car, of course. All the style, leopard print. So let's get some breakfast.
Yeah.
And then let's get to Cory.
I'll take you to one of my home spots.
Hello.
Excited. Come on.
So we had a really nice breakfast at a really cool diner over there. Nice mom and pop place. And now we're heading out to Fresh Produce, which is Cory's company. He makes really cool manifolds and does a lot of TIG welding and things. It's really cool. Yeah, as you guys know from the other videos, I like being in the States. Like, if you just go to the diner, it's like so cool. Like, people are so nice, like old-fashioned waitressing with like the glass coffee pot and stuff and refills, and I really like that. And when I first started coming out here, that was like really normal, but like it's getting harder and harder to find. And here in this part of the country, it's the easiest to still find that, so I really like it.
Fresh produce, bro.
Oh, there we go. It's Tyson.
Oh, who's the second best dog in the world? Who's the second best dog in the world? Got Dylan's car.
Yep. It's pretty cool. I like the wheels. This is the real baller machine, though.
Built for tough.
Built for tough, and your plate is actually really good. Best plate ever. Yeah. Tyson's like making sure that I come out.
About to get a new motor, 6.1. Yeah, done that before.
My old friend, the Traffic 2 car. Nice thing.
Technically mine, but it's gonna be her car.
Cory's Alaska FD car. Let's have a look. Got some nitrous bottles in there. Tank set up. Rear mount. Two Jing in here.
Yeah. The most reliable car in your fleet. Yeah. That's what you call it. Ripping the turbo off, and I don't even know what else pulling the.
So the funny thing about this car is that it's built roughly at the same time when I did my sedan, so it was like really funny because they're both similar style manifold, and position of the, or not the manifold, but the position of the turbo is very similar. They're both sedans, so it was like kind of cool. Cory was making this car over here in Michigan when I was making the black car in Europe.
That's what Wout was telling me, that he does something like this.
Yeah, you have to steel plate reinforce it. It's basically the same. I changed the back runner a little bit.
It just looks really long in the back now compared to. I feel like all the stuff was slightly back further.
No.
Like I personally actually like it when it looks used. Like this is really nice and cool and like eye candy that all the stance kids love. But actually this is more like race car style. I like it when stuff looks used. Like you can tell it's really well made, but it's also been used, and that's like to me I like that a little bit better. But look at that, like that's really nice stuff. In real life it looks, you can't really tell from the pictures how nice it is in real life. This is like really sick. Look at that. That is nice stuff over there. Yeah, I like that the flange is one piece. So much work goes. How many hours do you think go into a manifold?
Maybe like 20 hours, maybe.
Right. Yeah.
Especially that collector design is pretty complicated.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
This is how I spent most of the time in this car.
That's like the standard pose.
Yeah, no, that's true. I did spend a lot of time in this car doing that too. Or doing, actually, hold on. Sure, listen to my boxers. AC works really good. Yeah. I thought you put that bigger AC compressor on there. It never fucking worked.
See who gets better gas mileage?
Oh yeah, we can do that. So you got a new radiator, right?
It's more aerodynamic. It'll give me better gas mileage because it doesn't go through the fins now.
It does flop like crazy. If you drive behind it, it's like insane, like crazy, like bizarre. So where are we heading?
Cleveland, Ohio.
Cleveland, Ohio. What are we doing there?
I don't know, but we're driving through it to get to Niagara Falls.
Okay, cool. Nice. Well, better get going then. We're in Ohio, and Brian used 7.5 gallons for
113 miles.
That's like fucking bizarre. Like I'm on less than three gallons for the same distance. As you can see, it's really crappy weather. I'm sure it's super windy on the video, but nothing I can do about that. And we'll just keep going through the beautiful state of Ohio. Further into Ohio, and now we can actually do the fuel game, because last time I had to see the cash or something. My European credit card is not always working in the self-serve thing. Actually it did the whole trip except for this one time, and then you need to go see the register. So I'm on 9.4 gallons, but I actually realized that last time I didn't 100% fill it. So it's not 100% over here. Drives on 9.3. So it's kind of sucky. You're on 9.3 gallon, I'm on 9.4, but I didn't completely fill last time. So it still doesn't mean shit. We need to do it again.
Starting now?
Starting now. We are in Pennsylvania, which is a really important state in the history of America because it's called the Keystone State. And that's because it was very important during the beginning of the United States when there were like 10 or 15 states. Like it was a very, very pivotal state on a lot of aspects. And one of them, of course, being the Declaration of Independence being signed in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is one of the states that not a lot of people go to, but I like it. It's a little European, like it's almost a little bit like Germany, like the western part of Germany. If you're driving through it, like the vegetation, the mountains, I don't know if you guys can tell. Very good roads over here, and we'll be crossing Pennsylvania and heading to Niagara Falls, which is in the state of New York, which should mean that we would today reach our goal of going coast to coast from California to New York, which is of course really cool. And then tomorrow we'll be heading out to New Jersey for Drift Week. We'll have the whole day to make it because today's the 13th, and tomorrow the 14th we'll have the whole day because on the 15th Drift Week starts at Englishtown, New Jersey. So really great that we're on schedule that much. Brian did most of the planning, actually all of the planning. So he really made a good schedule for us over here. And like I said, these states aren't like, there isn't so much to do, but like it's still great to be here and still great to cross another state off our list. And so far we're on 16 states or something, I guess, maybe even 17. So amazing. And let's check out Niagara Falls. So we are at Niagara Falls. Really impressive, really cool. The sound is, like you guys can probably tell from the video, it's very loud here. It's very loud from the drop of the waterfall. So let's have a look. This is really cool, guys. Like, this is all mist, all the white, it's all mist. You guys can't see the drop very well, I guess. Really impressive, really nice cities back there. And this is also a location where Canada and America meet. Super cool. Don't forget to take a look at our website as well, einzel.nl. We ship worldwide, of course, Wisefab, Feal Suspension, our own brand Einzel, gearboxes, quick change differentials, axles, all kinds of things. A lot of fabrication components, of course, air jacks, subframes for quick change, you name it. Drop us an email and we'll hook you up.